Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this lecture I am going to teach you the OSI model and the TCP/IP model. So before going to these models, let's understand what do you mean by a protocol, and let's take an example and understand the basic communication structure. So what is protocol? So protocol is nothing but a set of rules required when two entities need to communicate with each other. So this applies when two persons need to communicate with each other, or two devices need to communicate with each other also. So if I need to communicate to a person in front of me, how does that happen? So basically I need to use such a language such that the person in front of me also understands that. So that is a protocol that I am applying to myself such that my communication takes place without any errors. So let's take an example to explain all this. Suppose there is a person called Maria. Now this Maria can understand or she can speak only in Spanish language. And there's another girl called Anne. Now this Anne can understand or speak only in English language. Both these girls need to communicate. So when they are face to face, they do not face any problems because they can understand each other through expressions or through sign languages, or maybe they can use bilingual dictionaries if necessary. But there's a condition here. Assume that Anne needs to travel out of town due to her job. Now, how do they communicate with each other? So this is when the communication structure comes into play. So this communication structure is divided into three layers. So the layer 1 consists of, this is layer 3, layer 3, layer 2, and then layer 1. So in layer 3, this is Maria, who is herself, who will be writing a letter in Spanish. Okay, she'll be writing a letter in Spanish. Now how do she communicate with the Anne who is away from her by many kilometers? Okay, so our layer or our structure of communication is ready. Okay, and this is a communication link. So Maria will write a letter in Spanish because she is comfortable with it. What will she do is she'll translate that letter. So this is a translator in between. Now she won't translate that into English. She'll translate it only into a secret code. Okay, so this is her secret code. Because she cannot understand English and she cannot translate it directly into English, she will translate her Spanish letter into a secret code, which will be then dropped into some post office or any other communication link. So this post office people will drop that letter into Anne's residence, and Anne will receive that letter from the post office. Now what will Anne do is use another translator which she has with herself to convert the secret code into English. So here is the Anne's translator. And this is how the letter which is in Spanish can be understood by Anne using this communication structure. So layer 3 consists of the person or the information. The layer 2 consists of the translator, which will create a secret code. Layer 1 consists of the communication link or the actual link over which the messages or the letter will travel. Again, towards the Anne side, they will consist of a communication link. Layer 2 will be consisting of a translator, and layer 3 will be the information received after decoding the Spanish into English. So that's it for today. We have understood what is protocol. We have also understood the communication structure using an example. So in the following lectures, I'll teach you what is an OSI model and also the TCP/IP model. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.